Botswana has agreed to partner with India in our efforts to reintroduce cheetah, where President Duma formally handed over 8 cheetahs to India, a gesture of symbolizing the deep friendship and shared commitment on her first ever state visit by a head of state from India to Botswana. On arrival, in a special gesture, Honorable President was warmly received by the Honorable President of Botswana at the airport. Honorable President was given a ceremonial welcome and she inspected the guard of honor. Yesterday, Honorable President was received at the President's office by Honorable President Boko. The two leaders had a tete-a-tete, which was followed by delegation-level talks between the two sides. From the Botswana side, several cabinet ministers and senior officials were present at the talks. From the Indian delegation side, Minister of State for Railways and Jal Shakti, Shri V. Somanna, and two Member of Parliament, Mr. Vasawa and Srimati D.K. Arunaji, and senior officials participated at the talks. During the wide-ranging discussions, both the leaders reviewed the existing ongoing bilateral cooperation across sectors between our two countries. They discussed ways to further strengthen and deepen our partnership in sectors of mutual interest, such as trade and investments, capacity building and development partnership, skill development, agriculture, health, infrastructure development, renewable energy, defense, and also digital technology in the entire digital space. Both the leaders also exchanged views on regional and global matters of mutual importance. The Botswana leadership mentioned to Honorable President about their economic transformation program, as also their Vision 2036, which essentially outlined their efforts to diversify economy and to become a high-income country by 2036. In this context, the visit provided an excellent opportunity to appreciate their economic and development priorities and to discuss how both governments can work together and also how the private sector in both our countries can work together to deepen our cooperation across sectors, particularly in areas which are of priority to Government of Botswana. The leadership of Botswana also conveyed their keen interest in learning about the deployment of DPI, the Digital Public Infrastructure in India, and how we are leveraging technology for better delivery of citizen-centric services, deployment of for e-governance, and for also better economic efficiency in the entire government. Honorable President conveyed India's readiness to share its own development experience in this domain. Discussions were followed by the signing of an MOU. You perhaps may have seen that we have signed an MOU in the area of health sector. This MOU will facilitate the access of quality and affordable medicines from India to Botswana. Honorable President also conveyed Government of India's readiness and decision to send essential ARV medicines as requested by Government of Botswana. Later on, Honorable President addressed the National Assembly of Botswana in a special session convened yesterday. She was received at the Parliament by the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, and then she addressed the gathering yesterday. Thereafter, Honorable President visited the 3 Degosi Memorial, which is a symbol of Botswana unity, leadership, and quest for independence. She paid her tributes to the visionary chiefs whose legacy continue to inspire generations in Botswana and in the region. As you may have noted from the press statements of both the presidents yesterday after the talks, Botswana has agreed to partner with India in our efforts to reintroduce cheetah in India under Project Cheetah. It is a unique conservation initiative of Government of India which aims to restore cheetah to India's ecosystem and the historical range that we have in India. This morning, President Murmu visited the Makulodi Reserve in Gaborone, where President Duma formally handed over 8 cheetahs to India, a gesture of symbolizing the deep friendship and shared commitment to wildlife conservation. Honorable President conveyed her deep appreciation to President Boko and the government of Botswana for this very special gesture. Today, in the afternoon, or earlier this morning actually, Honorable Vice President of Botswana and the Minister of International Relations called on Honorable President. And a short while ago, Honorable President interacted with the vibrant Indian community in Botswana at a special reception. She lauded their contribution to Botswana's economic growth and their role in strengthening the bonds of friendship and cooperation between our two countries. The state visit of Honorable President underscores India's commitment to strengthen its long-standing and friendly ties with Botswana. The visit also reflects India's firm commitment to expanding partnership with the African region, including within the framework of India-Africa Forum Summit. Being the first ever presidential visit from India to Botswana, it marks an important milestone in the India-Botswana relationship. It also assumes significance as India and Botswana will be celebrating 60 years of establishment of diplomatic ties between our two countries next year. Honorable President Boko described the visit as historic, being the first ever state visit of a head of state from India. He mentioned that it is also the first state visit after his government has assumed responsibility last October. So for all this reason, the visit was very, very important. From our perspective, the state visit of Honorable President has given a fresh momentum to our close ties of friendship and cooperation with Botswana. We have a clear roadmap for expanding our partnership with Botswana, and the task before us now is to build on this very positive momentum. With these words, I would be happy to take questions, but let me also say last thing, Rajesh, which is that the warmth of welcome by the people and government of Botswana for the Indian delegation and the hospitality extended to Indian delegation has truly been overwhelming, and we are very grateful to the people and government of Botswana in the manner in which they have received Honorable President and the Indian delegation.